friends, welcome back to the channel DS, and today I am going to do the unboxing of this shuttlecock, which is from YONEX MAVIS 6 shuttlecocks, and they are very light, not weighty. So without wasting any time, let's start the unboxing of this box. So finally over here box is there. Let's start. So over here the box is there, as you all can see, and over here price is written, but I will know you the actual price of it. So let's keep the knife away. This is very simple to cut. Remove. So by mistake I will just cut this box with my. So from here I haven't opened the box of shuttlecocks since 1 year. So let's first remove this. Very sticky. I will remove it afterwards. So over here it is written keep upright, and middle blue cap normal condition, slow green cap warm condition, means where to use which type of shuttlecock mentioned below. So I have opened. Let us remove all of them. Okay, they are nice, very light, and what we are that it's a blue cap. So in normal conditions, first I want to remove the oil, and I want to check that the shuttlecock has been cutted or not, has been cut or not by the knife. So over here total 6 shuttlecocks are there, and they are very nice, lightweight, and there this down portion is also very good, and they are nice shuttlecocks. So this was the unboxing, and let me take out the bill. So that was a price by which I have purchased these types of 6 shuttlecocks. I bought one shuttlecock for ₹25 over here from local, and it works for only for 2 hours, and this will work as per the review which was given by a person, that this 6 shuttlecocks, he has used it for 18 months. So now just think that how durable they are, And one more thing, that I will give you the review of the shuttlecock not after 1 week, not after 2 weeks also. I will give it after 14, 15, 16, 17, 17 days or as early as possible, because from after 2 days, which is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, from Thursday my pre-boards are going to start. So I am just preparing for the pre-boards only. So today I will make this one video and the review of that badminton, and of badminton I will give you to you by tomorrow, and I will give the review of this shuttlecock. I will give the review of this shuttlecock after 2 weeks, or whenever I get time to play for 3 or 4 days maximum to use one shuttlecock, then I will give you the review. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel if you are new, share it to your friends and let them to subscribe to make my channel vast. Plus, for more interesting videos, click on bell icon so you will get the latest videos notification in your notification panel of your mobile phone, computers and all. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching this video. Goodbye.